Hello, my name is Stuart and I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And I was currently driving by one of my clients' properties and hopped out to take a look. And the client had done some extra seeding. I had aerated, seeded, fertilized this property before. And I was just coming back and he had made another repair since I'd last been back here. And what I'd like to show you here is there's so much seed in here and it's buried underneath the peat moss, it's having trouble getting through. And I pulled out a couple chunks of the seed and you can just see how yellow and white it is in there. And just the peat moss was put on so thick, even though the seed's germinating, it's having a problem getting through. In fact, the peat moss is being lifted up by all this seed. And if he had put on much more peat moss, that peat moss would have locked together and prevented the germinating seed from growing through. So when you're putting on peat moss over a freshly seeded lawn, make sure you don't put it on too thick. And I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you. Bye-bye.